Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Amazon Prime Video app in laptop or PC. We will start by opening the Windows Store. When accessing it, enter Prime Video in the search. Now click on Prime Video for Windows, click Install. Here, wait for the entire downloading process to complete. After that, wait for the Prime Video app to be installed locally. When it finishes, click Open. Now in the Prime Video app, you can choose your country and sign in. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.